This is the DONWORD Slim and Minimalist Wallet. This amazing wallet comes with a lifetime warranty. You can configure the wallet in 4 fully customizable styles, from the Minimalist, the Money Clip, Cash Strap, to the all-in version. Included is the wallet with the cash strap installed, the Money Clip, spare internal strap, extra screws, and the wrench. Here are the 4 plates of the wallet disassembled. Take 2 of the internal plates and put them together as you see here. Grab the internal strap and wrap it around the internal plates. Then place 1 external plate to one side. Start screwing in the screws. Careful, they are small and you can lose them. Leaving 2 screws out of the money clip on one side, slip the clip between the external and internal plates. Attach using the screws. Now for the strap. Take the remaining external plate and strap and put them together. Put it all together and screw all the screws in place. Here are a few examples of what you can do with this sleek design.